KUGAN CASSIUS Rifle TV in association with MTK Global. We're at the BT Tower here for Frank Warren's announcement, which is coming later on, which I'm assuming to do with a deal with BT Sport. We'll come on to that later. I'm joined by Liam Smith. Liam, I mean, you must be absolutely gutted right now.
I am, yeah.
Talk to me about, obviously I spoke to Joe the other day, but talk to me actually about what happened and the sort of time frame.
Just a mad crazy week I had, KUGAN. I thought, at the start of the week I was just kind of getting a virus, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday I thought, yeah, I'm getting over the virus now, and then on the Thursday I just got a crazy reaction, allergic reaction to something, and I'm sure you've seen the video, or I'll show you the video now, and it was bad, the rash, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, it was, still, last night was the first night it's gone, and like the best sleep I've had last night. I've been up all through the night, tearing with itch and burning hot, but it weren't that was kind of bothering me. It was the no sleep and the not being allowed to train, KUGAN. I weren't allowed to train with the rashes I had. My skin was bad, it was raised, and went onto my face, my lip, my eye. So it's and that's kind of like, I thought I couldn't train for 7 days. So 7 days and no training, 2 weeks before a world title fight. I'm sure any fighter kind of would have done the same thing as me, to be honest with you. I'm gutted, and it's so hard to take because, say, I'm not injured, you know what I mean? I'm not injured, and that's what has kind of broke me out, to be honest with you. I'm not injured, and it's killed me to pull out, but in hindsight I do know it was the right decision to do. I'm 29, I want this shot, and I want to win it. If I go there, don't perform because I had a week off training, and maybe like whatever, I don't know, but I didn't perform. No one had batted eyelid that I had this allergy 2 weeks before, and if I lose I might get another shot at it. So I want the shot at it, and I want to take it both hands.
With a fight of that magnitude, you just can't afford to take any risks, can you, with anything?
No, I just think once bitten, twice shy. I went ahead with the Canelo fight, and not that it cost me, but after that fight I was gutted my timing weren't there, because I still think I could have looked better in that fight, if I'd have had a good camp. But I went ahead with that, obviously, as you know, and it's well documented, I got cut in sparring and had no sparring, so I went ahead with that. I've never pulled out of a fight in 9 years, KUGAN. I've never pulled out of a 4, 6, 8 or 10 rounds at any level. I've never pulled out from a fight, and that's why I'm like sitting here twiddling my thumbs. The minute I got pulled out, I was on to Frank, and my manager's trying to wanting a new date right away, and obviously I know it's not going to work that way. I have to wait for things to be put together, but I just didn't know what to do. I was just like, when will it be rescheduled? And I just thought, I'm in limbo at the minute.
We know Sadam has now got a new opponent as well, and his opponent again was linked with a fight with Golovkin as well, previously to Golovkin fighting this week. But you're hopeful that a date and the fact that you will be kept mandatory at some point this year will still happen?
Yeah, I am. I'm confident. Obviously, in my management team, I'm Frank. Obviously, MTK and Frank can push that and make sure I'm still mandatory, and I'm confident that, Golden Boy, I think Golden Boy have always been not good to me, but I'm good to them. I oblige to everything they've ever put in front of me, and I just thought hopefully they stick to it as well, and it can be put back on. So I'm mandatory challenger, and hopefully that stays.
So what's the plan now? I mean, your face seems to have cleared up now. It's been a few days now, I suppose. How long has it been? About a week since it first came?
Yeah, it's been a week since it first came, but it's only been cleared 2 days. I had my last course of tablets yesterday, so hopefully it stays. I'm a little bit nervous for tonight. I don't want it to come back tonight because it keeps me awake all night. I wouldn't wish it up on anyone, KUGAN. Sitting there at my feet in a cold bucket of water, and my hands with a flannel, watching the boxing on Saturday night, the late boxing Saturday night, and just because it's soothing and stopping me itching. I wouldn't wish it up on anyone, but hopefully it's gone, and I'm here today. I'm going to sit and speak to Frank, and hopefully I can get out June, maybe on Tyson's bill or the Island bill, because if they fight, I want to fight. And
you want to keep sort of active before, if there's an opportunity.
I'm not injured as we speak, and I was 2 weeks out from a world title fight. I was in very good shape, you know what I mean? I'm fit. I just had a kind of little setback, and all I wanted was the fight to be delayed a month, and I'm not sure the situation with Sadam and the Ramadan situation whether he could not do that. So, you know, I'll let them fight. Obviously, I hope I can fight and take over in June, and then reschedule the winner of that fight for September, October.
Sincerely hope it happens that way, Liam.
Yeah, so my team.
Yeah, so we're obviously expecting Frank to announce a new deal with BT Sport, which is great for boxing, and also obviously Frank Warren and his stable of fighters, which includes you.
Yeah, massive again. He just seems to be making more moves, more waves all the time. Tyson Fury, Carl Frampton, obviously Billy Joe. Like there's world beaters at the minute, and obviously you've got a good crop behind him. So he's pushing it now, and he seems to have done a new deal, which is why we're here today. And now I think Frank Warren Promotions is just getting bigger and bigger, and it took a lot of stick the past couple of years, but he's ever back in the game, mate. It's now he's back involved.
I mean, when you look at the calibre of fighters here today, I mean,
it's not a bad stable.
It's not a bad stable, and coincidentally, the majority of them are MTK fighters as well.
I know, yeah, it's the same with the MTK and Flank. I think they should just join and take over, just mould together and take over boxing. No, but they're both flying at the moment, and again, I'm privileged to be here. To be honest with you, when you see the fighters who are here, I'm privileged to be invited myself.
All right, Liam. Listen, thank you very much for talking to IFL TV, and I'm sure we'll catch up with you, and we'll await news on whatever happens sort of over the next few weeks with you.
Yeah,
all right, mate. Thank you.